Well, nagsimula kasi yung GK na nagtatayo ng mga komunidad para sa mga mahihirap. And very soon, we found ourselves at right at the front lines of relief operations because most of the poor families are living in danger zones. So every time there's calamity, sila yung tinatamaan and kaya kami napasabak sa relief operations. It's a good start yung relief operations because we move towards reconstruction. So tinatayuan din natin ng mga bahay. And I hope that corporations and partners will begin to look beyond the relief. Hindi kami nauuna kaagad sa mga evacuation centers kasi yun madaling dalhan yun eh. So inuuna ng GK yung pinakamalayo, pinakamahirap na hindi pa nakakatanggap. Of course, I feel for my hometown, no? But with Gawad Kalinga kasi after working with GK for 10 years and being with Tito Tony. In GK kasi we are taught to love the Filipino, the country. How GK molded us, the work with GK, how it molded us to really consider every countryman almost like a relative. We have this volunteer, namigay tayo sa Tambulilid sa Ormoc. Ano? Ginabi na kami doon, ulan na, isang pamilya. Dumaan yung mga volunteers, kumakain yung mga biktima, niyaya sila ng pagkain, nagpasalamat, sabi na, "Sir, salamat na nabigyan nyo kami ng pagkain dahil ito nga yung hapunan namin. Hali po kayo, kumain din kayo sa amin." So what little they have, they can share. So that's why it's a big challenge for those of us who have and have been spared. No, if we can be the answer to their prayers as an expression of our gratitude, no? That we were spared from that tragedy. I guess this is why many volunteers would like to really participate. No? Let's really make it better for these people. No? Inherent sa Pinoy na pag nangangailangan yung kababayan, madaling puntahan ng tulong, katukan. Wala namang maliit o malaking tulong, basta tulong pag Pilipino. So, we have to honor the heroism, no? and let the heroism overwhelm these challenges that we have, because people are really giving hard life to reach the victims. No?